my name is ALICIA Bean. I am with MedGlobal. We basically focus on going over and doing trainings and would love to focus more on training specifically nurses because the biggest request that I get from nurses is that they want to be trained. They want to be educated. There are people like Natalia who are going to help increase the pay for nurses, absolutely. I have no doubt about that. But I do think that with the medical trainings that we're going over, and my physicians know this as well, the more we can integrate nurses into these trainings, that's what they're asking for. They want to be trained. So let's meet them where they're at. Let's train them. For us, we do a lot of virtual training. We do hands-on, we do didactic. We've been focusing primarily on doing AHA, so that way they become accredited and certified, have the books, have the training, to what was being spoken to earlier, making sure that we're reaching that standard, but also meeting them where they're at. So if she has more time, go for it.
Thank you. And then ALICIA will also be joining us tomorrow for another panel, so we'll be able to hear more.